Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is find the mass of the pulses in the fifth bag. Given a bag of pulses weighing 7200 grams was repacked into 5 bags. The mass of pulses in 4 of the bags was equal. The mass of the pulses in the fifth bag is twice the combined mass of pulses in 4 bags. Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the mass of the pulses in the fifth bag. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say the mass of pulses in each of the 4 bags is x because we don't know the mass. The combined mass of pulses in the 4 bags is 4x. The mass of pulses in the fifth bag is twice the combined mass of pulses in the 4 bags. Mass of pulses in fifth bags equals to 2 multiplied by 4x equals to 8x. The total mass of pulses is 7200 grams. So 4x plus 8x equals to 7200. 4x plus 8x equals to 12x equals to 7200. X equals to 7200 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 600 ja 7200. X equals to 600. Now calculate the mass of pulses in the fifth bag. Mass of pulses in the fifth bag equals to 8x. 8 multiplied by 600 because x value is 600. 8 multiplied by 600 equals to 4800 grams. The mass of pulses in the fifth bag is 4800 grams. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch the till end to see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, what is the total mass of containers A and C? Given container A is 3 kg heavier than container B. Container B is twice as heavy as container C. The total mass of 3 containers is 33 kg. So read the question carefully and understand it what they given. We have to find total mass of containers A and C. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say the mass of container C is X. Since container B is twice as heavy as container C, mass of container B equals to 2x. Container A is 3 kg heavier than container B. Mass of container A equals to 2x plus 3. The total mass of 3 containers is 33 kg. So the equation is x plus 2x plus 2x plus 3 equals to 33. X plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 3 equals to 33. 5x equals to 33 minus 3. 5x equals to 30. X equals to 30 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. X equals to 6. Now we can find the mass of the container A, B and C. Mass of container C equals to x, 6 kg. Mass of container B equals to 2x. 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12 kg. Mass of container A equals to 2x plus 3. 2 multiplied by 6 plus 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 kg. The total mass of container A and C is 15 kg plus 6 kg equals to 21 kg. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.